we're in ChatGPT. So let's start today. So create 10 mental math problems for grade 6. Let's see how that goes. Okay, great. So excellent. Even added some percents in there, fractions, order of operations, decimals, mixed numbers. This is great. So now I want to make them two-part questions. Make them two-part questions. Let's see how that goes. Excellent. This is great. So you can either buy my mental math or you can ask ChatGPT to make some for you. Not bad. I'm really impressed. Let's try for some younger grades. Make 10 more for grade 2. Let's see how this is. Excellent. Well, look at that. And those are the two-part questions. Excellent. I love it. This is fabulous. Did they give the answers? I can't tell. Let me see. Let's go back and see. Add 9 to your answer. Give the answers for all the questions, please. Great. Now that I think that was the answers for the most recent set, but I would like them to give me the answers for the previous ones. Right? This does look like it's 15 plus 7. Let's scroll back up. 15 plus 7. So let's get the answers for the previous ones. Please give answers for the previous questions as well. Let's fix that, even though I think... Okay, there we go. Let's find out if they can do that. Yes, it looks like they're giving the answers for the previous questions as well. Fabulous. Okay, let's see if it can do any more. Let's try for 8th grade. Please give 10 more two-part mental math questions for grade 8. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to ask for the answers. Give answers as well. Can't ask until it's done doing the work, so we'll wait. There's probably a way to stop and amend the question, but I will just wait till it's done. Give answers as well. Wow, these are great powers and subtraction. Fabulous. Oh, I love it. All right, there you go. Use some ChatGPT to get your mental math questions. And if you don't know how to do the math for this, you can also ask it to explain how to do the questions as well, because some of those might be challenging if you haven't reviewed the work. Let's see. Power and subtraction. Oh, it actually shows you step by step with the answers. So I don't think there's any additional review that we would need because it's telling you how to do every step. Love it. All right, there's another option for you.